I reached 2 million views. Thank you everyone for your support along this journey. This is actually a big milestone that I want to reflect about, and I want to share it with you all. It has been a long journey since 2017, where I started Linguamid. In my mind, I wanted to teach modern standard Arabic at the beginning, but actually, with time, I found many students asking me about spoken Egyptian and about communication in spoken Arabic, and how can they communicate using a language that they can use actually on the street on daily basis. Therefore, I decided to switch my attention into spoken Egyptian instead, while keeping also modern standard Arabic lessons there and putting a lesson every now and then, but I actually focused more on spoken Egyptian. The start was somehow difficult, of course, when you start a channel without any subscriber. I can remember this time, and I remember my motivation, and I wanted to add something new and to add value. This was my main motivation at the beginning. So I started to shoot some videos. They were very primitive, of course, because of the gear and all this stuff back then. But with time, I learned and I evolved, and I knew more about what my audience needs in terms of communication in spoken Egyptian, and in terms of the required vocabulary, the required phrases, the required tips that they want and they need in order to succeed in their journey with spoken Egyptian. Actually, along the way, I learned many lessons, and I want to share with you something that I really learned from this journey. To keep motivated no matter what. During our journeys, there are ups and downs, of course. There are times when you feel really motivated to do something, and there are times when you are not really in a position to perform, or you have low energy, or you have other problems in your lives, and so on. This is okay, and I learned to adapt. It's okay to stay away for some time. People will understand, but it's not okay to leave everything. It's very important to keep motivated. Even if you leave for some time, don't hesitate to come back, and don't hesitate to say, I am there. I will be always with you, and I will always share content and always give you tips and so on. Because I found that it's really worth it. It's not just the courses or the online business that matters, but what matters more is the connection that you have with people. If you want to succeed, you need to enjoy the journey itself rather than the rewards. You need to enjoy your journey. My journey is not just teaching or posting content, but interacting with people. I have interacted with thousands really, of students and of individuals who are really interested in spoken Egyptian. They are from all over the world. I have had interaction with all nationalities and with all kinds of people. And something is really in common. Humanity, okay? We are all united in our passions, in our fears, in our motivations, and so on. It doesn't matter the nationality, it doesn't matter who you are, but in a way or another, you'll find that you are actually similar to many other people, no matter how different you may seem. Okay, so this is a very important thing. There are similarities. Focus on the similarities, not on the differences. I started Spoken Egyptian 101, which was a course that I started for free. And I'm putting also the link of it in the comments section and also in the description box of this video. A free course. That was my vision at the beginning, to teach Spoken Egyptian, first of all, for free to as many people as possible. Of course, if you want to want more information, you want to dive deep into Spoken Egyptian, there will be, of course, my Spoken Egyptian Accelerator, which is the ultimate, let's say all-in-all or all-in-one guide for Spoken Egyptian. And I've had many people who learned from this online course, and the experience itself is really, really great. So this is very important. If you want to succeed in what you want, or whatever business that you want to start, just stay consistent, the first thing, and keep loving what you are doing. Okay, keep passionate about it. Think about ways to evolve, ways to change. Don't depend on one style. You have your own style, of course, but you can further evolve it and add more, include gears, and make the experience for people easy. Okay, so make the people enjoy your videos and have easy and enjoyable experience with them. This is the key to success. I have had many questions about Spoken Egyptian from my students, and about also more than the Arabic, and this conflict between the two, let's say, languages, because they are really different. Some people may think that, okay, Spoken Egyptian and Arabic, they are the same thing. No, they are completely different stories. And people started MSA at the beginning and wanted to communicate. MSA didn't help. Other people wanted to have other goals like reading or Quran and so on. And it was a big conflict and a big misunderstanding about these two languages. But actually, as I told you, the important thing is to make it clear to the people what they really want. And this was my message, and it keeps really propagating throughout my online hub, throughout my channel, throughout my online store, where I also uploaded many ebooks and guides and podcasts that helped thousands of people worldwide. Again, I'm very thankful to you all, and I'm very happy to share this with you. 2 million views is something really I am very proud of, very happy about, and I really want that you keep watching and keep evolving and keep following your dreams. And I'm always there if you need me for any tips regarding to Spoken Egyptian, also for courses like Spoken Egyptian Accelerator, for having this kind of amazing experience of learning Spoken Egyptian. I will always be there for you. So don't hesitate to visit Linguamid every now and then. Look at the description box, have a look at my website arabicwithhamid.com, and also have a look on my social media, Linguamid, Arabic with Hamid channel. I put tremendous amount of resources there for free for you all. If you want more, of course, you have my paid courses and all this, and you have my 24/7 support and weekly Zoom sessions. All these are in my premium service. Thanks a lot, guys, for helping me reach this benchmark. And I wish you all continuous success and to reach the goals that you are aspiring to. Thanks a lot.